This is white. This is white.
Hey, yo, Plap.
If white people look like this, they'd be dead to the world.
I'm not even playing.
No human being can exist as a white man or woman. White.
Talk to him.
Could you imagine seeing a yellow man walk across the stage? Or maybe a red woman? Red, like the color red.
Put your dinky cats on, it's about to get real.
This might seem stupid to look at. Now people are red and yellow and black and white. But somehow, based on the training, based on the education,
conditioning, falling victim,
we deal with each other like this every day. You're black, you're white, you're red,
I see black
you're yellow.
Every time I close my eyes, it's haunting, knowing I'ma die someday. I wage white when I get so broken down, don't wanna hold it up, but can't afford to put the flag away.
You're white.
I see color in concepts and seek to exercise my mindsets every chance I get. It must admit I had chances, however.